all this time? Good for you, because I have part 3. We've included 5 more cars, 10 to 6. Let's get started. By the way, like and subscribe, follow and tweet. So, number 6. The Mercury Kia. The Mercury Kia is kind of like a very stripy, fiery green. Has green and black. Look at it on a racetrack. Its top speed is 294 miles per hour. Number 9. The Dodge Challenger STR Demon. It's a Dodge. See? There are Rams, Challengers, Demons. I have another Dodge, but this one is very faster. Its top speed is 299 miles per hour. Number 8. The Lamborghini Huracan LP. This looks so awesome. See, this is a Lamborghini. We'll have another one coming up. This one looks very fast. Its top speed is 300 miles per hour. The next is the Lamborghini Murcielago. This one was even used to be used in Fast and Furious 8. It looks so awesome. Its top speed is 302 miles per hour. And the last car, the Lotus Spirit. You know about this car. Look at its awesome noise. It says 52 and 62. Its top speed is 322 miles per hour. That's it, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, tweet, and follow. We absolutely had 18 subscribers. Help us. We need 2 more subscribers to get to 20. Come along and join us. We will see you tomorrow afternoon on our lectures. Bye, guys. See you on part 4. And if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2, they're in the links below. Bye, guys. See you.